How are you? I hope you will be fine. I am math teacher of The Educator Farooq Class campus. Student, as you know, look at the board. Today is Tuesday, and what date is today? Today date is 15 December 2020, and I will conduct second lecture of math for class 5. As you know, student, before starting the lecture, we recite the dua. So raise your hand for reciting dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Say amin. Okay, student. So we will start from question number 4. Exercise 5B. Question number 4 is, I am writing here, convert the hours into minutes. It means you have to convert hour into minute. Student, hour is given. We are starting from part A. Okay, the part A question is 40 hours. Okay, student, what we will do, we have to convert 14 hours into minute. Now we are starting from solution. This time what we will do first, as you know 1 hour, do you know, student, this is equals to 60 minutes. Okay, what we will do, 14 hour we will write here, and we will multiply by 60. Now after this, we will make here calculation work. Look at here, students, calculation work. Yeah, you can say a rough column, so we will do here rough work. Okay, how? 60, and I am placing here 14 and 60, and I am multiplying. Okay, now read the table. Student, table of 4. 4 multiply 0. Do you know answer is 0? Your answer will be 0. 4 multiply 6. 6 4s are, as you know, 24. Okay, now cross here. 1 multiply 0, answer will be 0. And 1 multiply 6, so answer will be 6. Okay, students? Now add this. 0 is equal 0. There is no any value. Now add 4 plus 0, so answer will be 4. And 2 plus 6 or 6 plus 2, so answer will be 8. 840. Okay. So 14 multiply 60, so answer will be 4840 minutes. Okay, student? This is the answer of your question. Okay, student? The next part of question number 4, your part C is 12 hour 49 minute. How can we convert 12 hour into minute? We already done this question in part A. Okay, first we will convert 12 hour. Solution, we will start from solution. Student, do you know 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes? Okay, so 12 hour is equals to, we have to find this. Okay, how many minutes are? 12 hour minute. We have to find 12 hour is equals to dash minute. Okay, we have to first find this. First we will find this, then we will add with the 49. Okay, student? What we will will do? 12 multiply 60, same as question part A, we have done already. So calculation work we will do in the calculation work column. Okay, student? Now come toward the calculation work column. 60 and 12, we will multiply first this. Okay, 2 multiply 0, so answer will be 0. As you know, 2 multiply 6, so answer will be 2. Yeah, 2 multiply 6 or 6 multiply 2. 6 2s are 10. Okay, cross here, we will place here cross. 1 multiply 0, so answer will be 0. As you know, and 1 multiply 6, so answer will be 6. 1 6 are 6 or 6 1s are 6. Same thing. Now, student, we will add this 0 as it is. 2 plus 0, so answer will be 2. Okay, now we are adding here, not subtracting, not multiplying. We are adding here. 1 multiply 6, 1 plus 6, answer will be 7. Okay, yeah, 6 plus 1, answer will be 7. 720. Okay. 720 minute. It means, students, 12 hours is equals to 720 or 720 minutes. Okay? Okay. Now what we will do? We have question into two parts, like two values are given. Matlab given 12 hour and 49 minute. Okay? So what we will do first? 12 hour. We will write here 720 minute. So we will write here 720. Okay? And this is also minute now. So we will add here 49. Okay, now add this in rough column also. You can do this work in calculation work. Okay. 9 plus 0. So answer will be 9. Okay? You can count on your finger also. 4 plus 2. So answer will be 6 and 7 as it is. So student, answer will be 769 minutes. Okay? This is the answer of question 4 part C. Okay? Okay, students. Next question is, okay, we will solve question 5. Now question 5 is convert the minutes into hours. Okay, students. We have to convert minute into hour. Okay, it means minute definitely are given and we have to convert into hours. Okay, the part A is 60 minutes. Yeah, minute. 60 minutes. I am writing completely. Okay. 60 minutes. How can we convert this given minute into hour? Okay, student. As you know, now come toward the solution. Okay. Solution. What is solution? As you know, student, K1 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So student, it means 60 is the minute hour given and we have to convert into hour. So student, we will not multiply here, we will divide here. Okay, what we will do? We will divide. Question is 60, so what we will do? 60 divided by 60. Okay. Now, so we will get the hours. Okay, how many hours are there in 60 minutes? Okay, student. Now, this work, rough work, calculation work, we will do in, we will solve in calculation work column. Okay. I am placing 60 inside and this one 60 outside. Okay. Now, read the table of 60. Do you know 61s are 60? completely cancel. Okay, 60 is completely cancel. Okay, so 61 is a 60. So answer is 1. It means 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Okay, student, this is the answer. Okay, student, now we are solving question 6 and part D. First, I am writing the question. What is the question? Question is convert the minutes into seconds. Okay, you have to convert the minutes into seconds. It means minutes are given, okay, and you have to convert into second. What we will do? First, I am writing the question. Part D we will solve. 5 minutes. Question is 5 minutes and 59 seconds. Okay, this is the question, student. Okay, now solution. We are starting from solution. Write the heading of solution first. Student, as you know, okay, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Do you know, student? Do you know this? Yes, I know. Okay, you know. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So what we will do? First, we will multiply 5 into 60. Okay, so 5 minute is equals to 5 multiply 60 seconds. Okay, now this multiplication we will do in our calculation work. 60 or multiply by 5, very easy. 5 multiply 0, answer will be 0, and 5 6 are, do you know, 30. 5 6 are 30. It means 5, I am writing the short, 5 minutes is equals to 30 seconds. Okay, this value we have to find this, and we already find this. Okay, yes, 5 minutes. Now I am writing here 300 second, and this second already given here 59 seconds, so we will add 69 second, and 300 second we will add 59 and 300. Okay, so total second we will find. Okay, now here I am writing 300, and now I am adding 59 here. Calculation work we will do in calculation column. 9 plus 0, so answer will be 9. 5 plus 0, so answer will be 5. 3 as it is, because there is no any value. Okay, so answer is 3:59 seconds. Okay, student, this is your answer of question 6 part D. Okay, student, now come toward the question number 7, and question number 7 is convert. You have to convert the second into minutes. Okay, it means minutes are given, and you have to convert this minute into seconds. Oh, sorry, minute. You have to convert the seconds into minutes. Question is this, part A we are solving 240 seconds. Okay, now we are starting from solution. As you know, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Second already given here. Okay, so we have to convert into minute, so we will divide, not multiply. Okay, so we will divide 240 divided by 60. So we will get the minute. Okay, how can we divide? We will do this work in calculation column. I am placing 240 inside and 60 outside. Okay, so read the table of 60. 61 are 60, 62 are 120 definitely, 63 are 180, and 64 are 240. Cancel. Okay, so 240 seconds is equals to 4 minutes. This is the answer. white. Okay student, now come toward the copy working. Student, what you will do? First you will make the title of chapter 5. If you already made this, so you will not make this again. Okay. First you will make the title of chapter number 5. Then you will write the heading on the header, exercise 5B. This is your homework. Okay. Homework. So you will write h.w. Do you know this? What you will do? You have to solve question 4. Question 5, question 6 and question 7. But the given part you will solve just. Okay. Part B and D of question 4, part B, C, D of question 5, part A, B, C question 6 and part B, C, D of question number 7. And book page number already I mentioned here. Okay. 99 and 100. Okay student, this is your homework. Okay student, we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.